Before you do anything, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, click on the bell notification and go to my Python projects playlist and see each and every video that I've created. So it's a boy Crazy CTP. In this video I'm going to show you how to take screenshots using the Python and the pyautogui module. So first thing first is you need to pip install the pyautogui module. So the requirement already satisfied. This means I already have this module. So in your case, this won't appear. You just need to pay attention and install this module. Then after that, what you need to do is import. Okay, let me say no screenshots. Let's import pyautogui as PA, not as PA. Okay, then what we need to do is we need to say PA dot screenshot. Then this will be the file path of our screenshot and the file name. So since we are on this file directory where our script is, what I'll need to do is I just need to type the file name and the file format. So let me say screenshot.png. Then this is it, guys. What you need to do is come to this terminal, cls, then python, what's the name, it's screenshot. Then let's say before I press enter, pay attention over here, guys. Let me say enter and wait. Our screenshot have been made, so let's double click and see what's going on. So this is our screenshot, guys. We have made this screenshot using the Python and the pyautogui module. So this was the simple tutorial I've just made in this week. So yeah, this was the video, guys. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.